How to fix Klarna app not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is simply move into the App Store on your device. Search for the application Klarna, and then move into it. Here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So in this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, simply head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. Once you're inside the iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and search for the application Klarna. Once you find the app, move into it. Click on Offload app and once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs, and it should also fix the issue that you have been facing in the app. So if this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.